Aloha, I'm Kanikia, and I am back with my Duolingo. I'm not being sponsored by them, by the way. And today we are working on people. So I'm doing level 5 practice on Duolingo. My name is Kanikia, by the way, and I'm doing Hawaiian language on Duolingo because I just love hula, puni au ika hula. I love hula, that's what that means. And we're working on learning the types of people, beginner level. So the first translation is, which of these is the man? So I have a list of options. The man is kane. How do you say, where are you from? And the answer to that is no hea oi out of these choices. The farmer, how do you say the farmer? Ka mahi ai. And select the correct translation. For kaleo is a farmer. Kaleo is a farmer is hey mahi ai o kaleo. So for this, anytime you see a sentence that begins with hey, you know that there's going to be something with a in it. Hey mahi ai is a farmer, and o kaleo, meaning kaleo is the one that is the farmer. Which of these is the police officer? So how do you say police officer in Hawaiian? Ke makai. Ka makai. It's very important to have the right determiner. Translate is kaulani your name. So when when signifying a person, you would say o. When you're addressing someone, you say a. So the correct answer is o kaulani ko inoa. Ko meaning your and inoa name. Which of these is the teacher? So again, choosing the right translation for the teacher, ke kumu. I know that kumu is the teacher because often when you're learning Hawaiiana dances, you are always referring to the instructor, the main master instructor, as kumu. You call them kumu. But a regular teacher is also kumu. She is a teacher, translated. Hey, kumu oya. So oya, remember, is for both he and she pronoun.
No hea oya.
No hea oya. Translate this in English. Where is she from? Or he. It could have been he too. What is kehao? So kehao is the name. He aha o kehao is the translation.
O Keoki ko'u inoa.
O Keoki ko'o inoa. So if I want to say my name is Kanikia, I would say O Kanikia ko'u inoa. So in this translation, it would be Keoki, or my name is Keoki. This is a man. He kane keia.
Keia.
Keia is this.
Ko inoa.
O kaulani ko inoa is keia, is kaulani your name. Translate, where is Keoki from? Nohea. Nohea. So hea is the where part of where are you from. No is from. So you would say Nohea o Keoki.
O ka iulani ko'u inoa.
O kaulani ko'u inoa. My name is Kaulani. What is that? Hey, aha, Kayla.
Kela.
Aha is a thing. So if you're asking what is that, hey, aha, Kaya. Hey, aha, Kayla. So keia is this, keila is that. How do you say the teacher? And you have options where you can write down the words. So after you do a lot of multiple choices, you have to remember some of these words so you can write them. What is this? He aha keia. So just like the other question, except instead of that, it's this. Okay, translate this sentence and you have to write it out. Kileo is a farmer. Hey, he mahi ai o Kaleo. And translate, she is a police officer. So you would say, hey, a makai oya. All right, so that's it for today for beginner lessons on people.